Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by validating prerequisites quickly. Confirm the server OS and that you have admin credentials, and verify a Wi-Fi adapter or access point is physically connected. Once done, open an SSH session or local terminal and escalate to sudo so you can modify network services. Next, check the current network interfaces with IPEdit to identify the adapter name, then install any required packages like hostapt or wireless tools. Make sure packet forwarding and firewall basics are accessible before proceeding. Now configure the server's network interface. Assign a static IP or ensure a DHCP reservation so your Wi-Fi gateway remains stable. Then edit hostapt to define SSID, channel, and WPA2 passphrase. If your client mode connecting, update WPA supplicant instead. Once the wireless service files are set, configure a DHCP server to hand out addresses and set up DNS forwarding. Finally, enable IP forwarding and create NAT rules using iptables or NF tables, so connected devices can reach the internet. Finish by starting and enabling hostapt, DHCPD, and network services, then inspect logs with journoctl or syslog for startup errors. You should test from a client. Scan for the SSID, connect, and run ping and traceroute to verify routing. Make sure DNS resolution works. If things go wrong, check drivers, regulatory domain, channel overlap, firewall rules, and that the PSK matches. Often a single typo in hostapt or wrong interface name prevents association. Reboot only after configuration saves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.